Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 28th, and we are looking at the last couple of days of the SPY ETF's market profile here on Window Trader. We'll try to keep this one short and sweet since as the week goes on, I have a feeling we will be having some pretty good action and the videos will be longer. So right now, after stopping a one-time framing down the daily, we are trading smack in the middle of value, smack in the middle of balance of yesterday's range. So we're going to certainly need more market-generated information as the day goes on. McDonald's earnings out, Pfizer, a bunch of earnings out. But again, most earnings to me don't mean much. Obviously, those 3 or 4 that are coming out Thursday night will be the big ones, along with the Fed, GDP, jobless claims, you name it. So destinations quickly, since you should have them. 323.41, first one on the upside. 323.60. Single prints filling them at 324.65 from the 23rd. And then the huge one, the 327.23 weekly high, and filling that gap, 332.58, 535 points from February 24th. Downside, price probe. Now, we still have over an hour to go, but if we open below L's high, the price probe firmly rejected. Now, yes, it looks like it's firmly rejected, but we don't know until a period opens. So 323.28. Then we were 10 wide at 322.44. If we open below that, then it becomes an upside destination, right? That doesn't go away. As opposed to an afternoon pullback low saying, K, if we open below it, that's gone. And that's 322.17, basically where we're trading. 320.78 yesterday's low. 320.60, 11 wide, naked POC from the 24th, and then 319.25, that all-important weekly low. So right now, we closed yesterday above last year's settlement, but right below last month's high. And by the way, yesterday's high is exactly to the tick of last month's high. Think it's mechanical? We said we would trade in a lower distribution yesterday. That's exactly what we did. So now the question is, are sellers going to be strong enough to take out yesterday's low and attempt to take out last week's low prior to all these huge catalyst events coming up? Or are we going to basically sit in the middle here and maybe take out yesterday's high and attempt to take out the single prints and get into the upper distribution? All remains to be seen. Yesterday's volume was horrendous. Right now, early indication, 435,000. Again, nothing special. Game plan this early, there really isn't much of one. We're in value, in balance. That's the worst of your risk rewards. The best thing I can say this early in the day is if you want to take a long against value low from yesterday and you're out either below E's low or the day's low, that's a trade you can take. As far as a put play very early, now, the fact that there should have been buyers at L's high, well, if you're to rally back up, you can take a put play because where there were buyers, maybe they're sellers now, and you're out above the base of the price probe. Again, all early plays. Come to CamelbackTrading.org, and you're going to get those plays every time frame of the day. All right, let's go to the charts quickly. Weekly, I'm not going to even look at the monthly just yet. We'll do that towards the end of the week again. Weekly, again, one time framing up 3 weeks. The bear's goal is to take out last week's low to stop that and put them firmly in the 8-week balance. The bear's goal is not to let that happen. Get back, take out last week's high, and start attacking the rest of that gap. And basically the same thing on the daily, right? We are now in a 9-day balance. Question is, which way are we going to come out of it? I firmly believe, again, by Friday's close, we're going to get a pretty significant move one way or the other. And the reason for that is basically the pot is boiling, the water's boiling, the spring's tightening, whatever you want to call it. You have some major events and catalysts at the end of this week, which should move this market at least 10 points one way or the other. Good luck trading today. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.